Here are my top 3 ways to make money on the internet. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl Batman Stringer of the Passive Income Way and RealInternetCash.info. In this video, I'm going to share my top 3 ways to make money on the internet. If you're watching my channel, I've been involved with making money online for like over 10 years. So I'm not a guru or anything like that, but I do know a lot when it comes to, making money online, different ways. It's just, I just do it all the time. I read a lot. I watch the videos. I actually buy courses. I implement courses. So this is why I'm qualified to share my opinion. All right. So when it comes to making money on the internet, there are so many different options now as I speak in 2018. It's so many. So people just getting started usually get overwhelmed and just don't do anything, right? But like I always tell people, you want to find something or a couple things that first of all you're interested in, second of all something that you think you can pursue, right? So like one way you can make money online, is not on my list, but well, sort of, is like writing, right? A lot of people make money writing online, writing articles, blog posts, whatever. But if you don't like writing, I don't suggest, getting involved with it. Don't do it. Move on, because there's so many other things that you can pursue. Don't, especially when it comes to the whole internet thing, don't start off by doing stuff that you have no interest in doing or that you hate doing, right? So here's my top 3 ways to make money on the internet, and that I see a lot of people making money on the internet. Number 1 is freelance work. All right, you may have heard of this. You may have thought about doing it, whatever. But freelance work is basically doing anything from writing, graphic design, consulting, what else you do? Oh, being a virtual assistant. Even like I said, well, virtual assistant, you can be making calls for businesses, doing whatever. You can run errands, check emails, you name it, right? Freelance work is very, very popular right now. And usually when you think of freelance work, I think of writing. All right. I also think of editing. I also think of transcription work. All right. Which is huge. There are a ton of sites out there that you can sign up with and actually create profiles and search for work, or have people, find you. Places like Elance. I think Elance, is it still Elance? I know it's freelancer.com is one, and Upwork is like super popular right now, upwork.com, and then there's Fiverr. There's just tons of them, guys. So that is something that a lot of people get into because it's fairly easy to get into, and most likely you have a skill that someone else is willing to pay you for, whether it be writing, whether it be editing something, editing videos, coming up with ideas. People are paying other people to do this, right? So that can be you if that's something you're interested in doing. Now, with that being said, it's one of them things where it's not a passive income type thing, because it's one of those things where you get a request to do work and you got to do the work. The beautiful thing about freelance work I really enjoy is the fact that, yes, you still have to do something to get paid. That's not really passive. But the fact that you can do stuff on your own schedule. There's been times where I had work to do for a client, and I actually just was blowing it off, and I'm like, you know what? I told her it wasn't going to be due for another 3 days, so I'll just mess with it tomorrow night, or I'll do it in the morning. You have that freedom, which a lot of people like, doing freelance work. So you can do it whenever you need to do it, long as you get it done, right? So that's my first way Freelance Work. The second, in my opinion, one of the second best ways to make money on the internet is Kindle book publishing. Just did a video maybe a week ago talking about how Kindle book publishing is one of them things that is passive income at its finest. All right. So whenever you get into writing and stuff like that, if you don't mind it, write some Kindle books. All right. Because when you write a Kindle book and you put it up on the Amazon, website, you can make sales from that book for years and years to come. In a recent video I did, I talked about how I sold like 5 books in a couple days. I showed the little screen thing, and I haven't promoted any of those books in well over a year. I haven't done anything, and I'm still getting sales. That's why I'm getting back into writing Kindle books. I'll be coming out with another one very, very soon. Be on the lookout. But it just feels so good, guys, to have a book out and kind of forget about it, and then check your account and see, you sold 3 copies, and you're like, damn, I forgot all about that. Great feeling, guys. The good news is there's a course that I always talk about, K-Money Mastery. It will teach you everything you need to know about getting a Kindle book published, written, everything being sold, to getting money in your account. Definitely well worth it. That's the course that I actually used that taught me how to make money publishing Kindle books. So check that out. Link will be in the description with all the other links. But if that's something that interests you, definitely check that out. All right. The third way that I feel is one of the best ways to make money on the internet is affiliate marketing. Now, maybe you heard of this, maybe you haven't, but as soon as you start looking into like making money online, affiliate marketing is one of the first things that come up. It's basically where you get paid for promoting someone else's product. You get a nice commission. Should be a nice commission. All right. And the cool thing about that is there are tons and tons and tons of affiliate marketing programs out there. Everything from ClickBank to ShareSale, Commission Junction, you name it. Max Bounty is more CPA stuff, whatever. But there are probably hundreds of affiliate marketing programs. I think I already mentioned ClickBank, but it's basically, a lot of people like it because it's pretty much clean cut. You decide what kind of niche you want to be in, what you're into, fitness, wellness, money, whatever. You find a program, a company that has affiliate offers. You pick an offer or two, and you just promote it, right? You just put it out there, all right? Now, granted, it's a little more deeper than that because obviously you got to learn how to do a little bit of research, find out what people are searching for, blah, blah, blah. But it's a very popular method of making money online, and there are many people making a lot of money with affiliate marketing. And like I said, it's one of the things that's fairly easy to learn once you get into it. Once you're serious about it and you really like, I want to learn affiliate marketing, you really will realize how easy it is. And it can be fun, especially if you're doing something that you're interested in. All right. Super, super fun. If you're into it. If not, it could be fun when you're checking your commissions and you're seeing that you made, $50 a day, $70 a day, even $30 a day. You're like, oh my God, this is cool. Right. So affiliate marketing is huge. And another really cool thing about affiliate marketing is it's not going anywhere. It's one of the things that'll be around probably forever. So, that's a whole nother option that you can look into. But guys, these are my top 3 ways to make money on the internet. So pick one, focus on it, give it a good shot. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing, which is something I really love, my favorite methods are Kindle publishing and affiliate marketing. If you want to learn affiliate marketing, guys, you have to check out the Builderall program. Link is in the description. Look for, I think it says something like how to build a 6-figure business with Builderall or something like that. Guys, check that link out and sign up for Builderall if you're interested in affiliate marketing and making affiliate marketing your primary income. Definitely check that out. Also, K-Money Mastery is the course that teaches you Kindle publishing. Check that out. And then, like I said, with the freelance work, guys, you could just Google that. Upwork, Fiverr. What else I say? I think Freelancer. So after watching the video, guys, there's no reason why you can't make money online. Like one of these 3 things should entice you. So really, you don't even need to watch no more videos. You just need to click the links, figure out where you want to start, and just start. It's that simple, guys. So if you have any questions, you already know, comment, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification button that everybody tell you to do. Hit it, guys. I'm always sharing content. And till the next time. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.